In the last video, we started with the cases of location. We saw how to say that you are somewhere and that you come from a place. Today we will see how to say that you are going somewhere. Do you remember from the last time that you can either be in the place or on the place? If you are going onto a place, you need to add the ending le, le, to the end of the genitive form. For example, kass hüppab lauale. A cat jumps onto the table. Or ma istun toolile. I sit onto the chair. Or you can say sõber läheb peole. A friend goes to the party. Now, if you're going into somewhere, then you need to add the ending sse to the genitive. For example, ma lähen kohvikusse. I go to the coffee shop. Or laps läheb ujulasse. A kid goes to the swimming pool. However, note that if you are going into somewhere, then we have many nouns that do not take the sse ending and the short form is used instead. So nothing is added to the genitive. It's just a separate form of the noun that we use when expressing that we go there. Let's have a look at some more frequent ones. Ma lähen linna. I'm going to the city or to the city center. Ma lähen kooli. I'm going to school. Ma lähen kinno. I'm going to the cinema. Ma lähen restorani. I'm going to the restaurant. Ma lähen baari. I'm going to a bar. Ma lähen poodi. I'm going to a shop. Ma lähen bussijaama. I'm going to the bus station. Ma lähen parki. I'm going to a park. Ma lähen randa. I'm going to the beach. Ma lähen koju. I'm going home. In conclusion, if you go to somewhere, you need to add either sse or le to the genitive form. Whenever you go onto something or to an event, the ending will always be the le. But if you go into somewhere, then some nouns are short. That means that there is no sse ending, but a separate short form is used instead. If you are somewhere, you need to add either s or l to the noun in genitive. And if you come from somewhere, you need to add st or lt to the genitive form. I hope that the Estonian cases of location are clear for you now. There are 5 more cases in Estonian, which are nothing more than just some endings or suffixes you add to the genitive form. In the next video, we will focus on these last cases. So järgmise korrani, until the next time. Aitäh!